instile ebantwaneni bethu ukuthi sikhulumeni nabantwana bethu. Yebona ukuthi iyanginceda lo nto leyo. Ngase ngaba mdala mina bethi uma ngidlula nga3 nga4 umdala kimi. Mama ngidlula nga4 because ngempela sikhule ereni engafani ngangitshela nje ukuthi umdala kimi. So if abantwana we can do that, guess yabona lo mntana lo ngithi wamithisa uthishere ngicine ngikwazi ukuhlala nomama wakhe phansi wangikwatela qala umama omntwana. Hayibo sengizokuthi umama omntwana kuthiwa uye wehla wenyuka nothishere ingathi uthishere kusho ukuthi bese ke bashaya boyi2 umama nomntwana
Anzwi
umama ngathi bese ke zibambe nguthishere because uthishere age is around 32 umama una 36 so kuthi abafrika bonke ke manje bayehla benyuka bonke kwaya uthishere seke donsa umntana wavela wanciphisa inyawo uthishere seyajola phela sekathola abanye ngithi ngahlala naye phansi ngathi we listen, it's not that ukuthi I was against you wena nginandaba na impilo yakho wena uyidlile mina ngicabangela lo muntu lo impilo yakhe enimoshayo. I feel sorry lo muntu uyakulento ngathi let me tell you what's going to happen. Lo mntana ukuthi kusesomntwana manje when she turns 26 27 28 uyothi mayicabanga zonke lezi zinto bezenzeka ena 14 15 16 uthatha le mali uvumela elentusi leyo mntana uzokuthuka uyobe ekuthuka from ekseni to ntambama abantu abangazi bazothi lo mntwana urude kanti umntwana khona manje ngoba seke bhadlile semdala ingqondo seyilo uyobe kuthuka ukuthi wamthengisa ngathi mark my words.
And guys, yazi kunenye into enye underlying fact esiskipha kuyo yonke lento. I think ipoverty idlala irole enkulu kuyo yonke lento.
Kakhulu futhi.
Yabo. Ipoverty idlala irole enkulu kakhulu kulento. Ngoba nakho mina ngiyakwazi ukunikeza lengane ukuthi ingene no plastic ekhaya kubo kuzothulwa kungakhulunywa lutho. Ngikhwele yonke into ngikhwele umama ngikhwele usisi wakhona ngikhwele ngisho yona lengane encane kulowo muzi. Ayibhlungu lento esiyibona ibhlungu kodwa lento enzekalayo ku society ofethu.
Sanibonani.
Yebo.
Sanibonani.
Yebo.
Ngizengidlale ngashongo what I wanted to say.
Yeah.
Ngiyaqolisa ukundisturb. I just wanted to say into engimele engifuna kuyisho before ngikhohle. It takes a village to raise a child.
True.
A whole village.
True.
And involvement yabazali ezikolweni is very low.
True.
Mama uya kuma parents meeting la ubona like so many parents are not involved in their kids school life or activities. And I hate to say this but more abo baba they are very lacking in terms of attending ama school activities or ama meetings or nje involvement yabantwana it's very low. And you esibadinga more than anything to have many men coming in forces to be shielding abantwana bethu, to be shielding both girls and boys. They need to be shielded by amadoda wethu. And the thing here, I heard Puti saying about the body count being important to women. Also men, why are you not also inside this abafana with the body count? If now escalator, it should also be bad for both women and men, not only one-sided. Because it's a balance kanjani. The balance kanjani. If only intombazane ukuthi vala wena vala mathanga, and then a boy says wena chisa mathanga. I balance. Because they're gonna make it a mission to have a body count high as men, and then amantombazane they should now run away on closing legs. It should be balanced both. So you know what? Separation. A main goal is raising, trying to have solid families, trying to build a decent community. Phela manje into ezenzakalayo nje emhlabeni ezoho. Dala we masikhula. Bawusa ukubona umuntu omdala ocabuza umuntu boyfriend umuntu omdala adlula. Because why? It was a community. Kids were raised by a community.
True.
So manje when you only shielding your child, forgetting what your child is going to be affected by this boy, lo neglect or is next door, or 4 streets away, or whatever area. Ubheke wakho nje kuphela. It takes a village. And abantu abalekhaya ama leaders aswadingayo it's men, and the men are failing us. Because why? Ni trailer behind. Aniko kuma parents meeting. Umntana udlala ibhola awukho. Umntana uya ku dancing abafana bekho. How many single mothers are there, which is another issue yenye ithinta nokuthinta nje when a pandemic on its own. Men are not there. Men are not taking leadership. That's what we need. Khona manje you are stressed nonke ni emphasize ukuthi intombazane, yes, vele as a woman who water umntwana, yes, we're in danger. But let us bring our boy kids along to say this is how also as indoda kwamele uziphathe kanje. So that we don't have so many single fathers abaqala impilo yabo entsha because bona abanamaqo ukuthi banabantwana. Only women have that dent ukuthi uzalile. But it doesn't help in any way to say only concentrate on girls. We need to bring these boys up. We need to protect a boy child as well. And in the teacher nabantwana, parents need to be involved. No, do you know ukuthi teacher yomntana kubani? Do you know a contract your teacher? Does it stipulate the contract your teacher? Waze walala nomntana esikolo. This is what is going to happen to you. You're going to lose your license. You're going to lose your job. Bengeke babe comfortable enough ukuthi balale nabantwana had parents been involved, had we know contract ukuthi kungene uteacher we-maths omusha, i-contract ifundiwe, he knows what he signed for. I-behavior yomntana noma izihlalo abantwana siyahlala oyenze homework, you know you can just engage ukuthi umntana wakho ukuphi mentally so that you can protect your child. No, mahleli nomntana yenze homework uba involved, uyabona kusekakhulile sekakuphi sekacabanga along which like sekafihla amabele, then you know ukuthi no maturity stage seyaqala manje.